Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool origami T-Rex head designed by Jeremy Shafer, and check it out. Here's the back side and the front side, and the really cool thing about it is that you can actually close and open its head. See? Just like that. Yep, and it's got a nice eye right here, nice teeth, a nice mouth, and you can close it. And you can also keep it closed by closing it like this. Then you can fold this flap behind like that. See? And now it stays. And you can also move the arm too, like that. And yeah, and then to open and close it again, you just undo that flap. And there it is. Yep, and here's this tutorial to learn how to fold it. And so that's pretty much it. And it also flies, but I'm not going to do that because I kind of like it like this. So there it is. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this demo, and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.